Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and if you are new, a big welcome to you. Go ahead and check us out and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy what you see. If you would like to join my family, I would appreciate it. So guys, I am back with another Christmas DIY. Yes guys, I've got these gorgeous baubles. And I got them from Amazon, and this is what they look like. I have a whole bag of them. I have some old accessories. Some are broken. They're broken pieces of accessories. Some of them are just outdated and I'm not wearing them anymore. And I decided to use these to create my baubles today. Well, I'll be using some of these to create my baubles today. I've got some gold, and I've also got these buttons that I got from, I think they were from Home Bargain. I had some from before and I picked up some the other day. So I am using different items, some accessories as you guys see. I am using some of my glitter from Poundland, some table scatter. I've got paint. So I've got gold and I've got some blue paint. I don't know what I'm doing yet guys, but I'm gonna do something with these baubles and I'm sure they're gonna be beautiful. So I'm just gonna let the video run, and I don't think I'll be talking anymore. I'll just be working. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, and let's get on to making these baubles. Christmas is in progress. So I've mixed my paint and I'll be pouring the paint into the baubles, but first I'll be putting some glitter into this paint to get some gold in it, gold flecks in it. So yes guys, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just mixing my paint with the glitter to pour it into the baubles. After I've poured my paint in, I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up to get the paint evenly distributed inside and cover all the clear bits of the bauble. So here I am just shaking it up to get it evenly distributed, and I just went ahead and did one of each color on camera, and I just did the rest off camera to save time. So I'll just be showing you guys how I do each of them with each color with the paint, and there you can see the gold flecks in it, the glitter shining through. So keep watching guys and you'll see how I make the others. Removed all the caps from my baubles, and as you can see me doing here, I'm just sticking them into a piece of foam board that I had, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint them gold so that they'll match up with my baubles, because I'm doing mostly gold accents. So I'll show you guys just how I stick them in and spray painted them to match up with the baubles. I let my baubles dry as well as my caps, and what I did was turn them down in these cups that you're seeing here so the paint can drain out, and then I let them dry. So I'm now getting ready to decorate these baubles after the paint is fully dried, and it's important to make your paint dry fully. And I'm using E6000, I might be using some E6000, I might be using some tacky glue, and I've also got my glue gun. So here I am now, guys, just decorating these baubles with my jewelry accessories. I'm using my hot glue gun to attach these chandelier style earrings to these blue baubles that I painted, and guys, it is looking gorgeous already. Moving on to my gold baubles, these are some pieces from a necklace that I had, and I'm just using the hot glue gun again to attach these necklace pieces, these diamond pieces, to this bauble, and it makes it look like a little crown on top. I'm loving it. So keep watching, guys, and you'll see how I created the others. Most of them I've used my hot glue gun, and for the clear ones I use my E6000 glue because I wanted them to dry clear and not have that yellowing look that the hot glue gun would have given it. So for this next gold bauble, I'm using these two pieces to create a bow shaped look on top of these baubles, and these two pieces are also from the same necklace. This one is an old bracelet, and I'm just using my hot glue gun to attach the bracelet onto the bauble. for this clear bauble, I'm using the E6000 glue to attach this diamante bracelet because I want it to dry clear. So I'm using the E6000 glue. I also had these fur baubles and I decided to add a little bling to them by adding these buttons with my hot glue gun, and they turned out so beautifully. I'm loving these ornaments, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you're still here with me, thank you very much. Hit that like button if you enjoy watching this DIY. I also went ahead and added a little angel charm from the bracelet to this diamante bauble, and it came out so cute. I love it. And also, guys, comment down below and let me know what you think of these baubles. If these are something that you would try with your plain baubles, just bling them up as I've done here, and you can have a look at them all. It just gives me a jewel toned look, and I am absolutely loving these, guys. I hope you guys do too. I really enjoyed putting these on my tree. They are beautiful. They came out so beautifully and I really love them, and I enjoyed doing this DIY and sharing it with you guys. Thank you all very much for watching, and as usual, guys, have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you on the next video.